Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 Volkswagen Amarok Highline Ute. Stock reference number 5146. This shape runs from the 12th month 2010 and is the current shape. It has a CSHA 2 litre 4-cylinder twin turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. CSHA 2 litre 4-cylinder twin turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It has a set of aftermarket Hustler 20-inch alloy mags, all with good tyres. Factory chrome side steps with all bolts and brackets. Left front door has 3 small dents. Left rear door has no dents. Left rear 20-inch Hustler alloy mag with the ball tyre. Left hand tail light. Sports bar with a roller deck. Lock and load. Tonneau cover. Tailgate has 10 small dents. Tidy rear bumper bumper bar has 1 small dent. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Right rear 20-inch Hustler mag with an average tyre. Right hand side step sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Right rear door has 1 small dent. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 20-inch aftermarket Hustler alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, dual zone heater controls, factory sat nav unit, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with multi-function 2-switch type. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.